Let me make sure I got anything run good. Alright, we go to the first flight, first time of the Tello drone. This is, I've never been this while ago. So let's go ahead, take off. Launching. And I'm on record. I'm gonna hit the okay, I'm going this way. Wi-Fi interference. Okay, a little bit. Look at how this thing is good as that, but look at that. I'm gonna have to go up. Maybe above the level. So now I'm gonna turn this thing around. Look at that. My drone is doing good, and this far away. I can't hear this thing, something like that. Here's me. I'm gonna go behind the car, so let's see if I can get it here. About 34 feet away. Let me go ahead to back up. Look at that car. Yeah, that's airplane mode. Okay. I'm gonna have to leave cord off. I'm gonna go this way. Let me turn this off, the airplane mode. Okay. Now it's going forward. Okay, let's take a look at the workshop here. Yeah, Bonnie, if you're watching this, right here you can see the workshop. The lamp's on the ground right now. Want me to move this side so you can see the road right here. Not as bad. About 16 feet high altitude right now. So I'm gonna turn. Look at that. That's the roof right here. Let me take a picture of that. And I'm gonna have this picture popped up. Going low. Look, you can see me. Hello. Thanks so much. Stay tuned in. Look at that. Along. If I see it branches, let me see what happened. I'm gonna fly forward to that. I'm not going too high. I'm going low. Yeah. Getting the. Okay, we're getting low battery now. To the cord. Okay, look at that. Look at that road. This is good. I'm impressed with that. I can't believe this. Look at that. Hello. Wherever you are. Very good. I'm gonna have to bring it over here. Then I'm gonna land right here. And I'm gonna see I can push the throttle. Yep. It still got good. Yeah, still got good throttle. Let me see I catch it. And see it comes down. And see I just come down, so. Okay. Wow, that is awesome. I can't believe I just got this video right now. Let me stop that. So, very awesome. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm gonna do the snow video, flight video. Just come, if you want to come and meet to them, press the subscribe button if you want to, join me. Also, thanks for watching. Stay safe, guys.